Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G73 and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage of this Motorola. You need to begin by locating an app called Files. When you find it, click on it. Now, if you never used it before, click on Continue, tap on Allow, and select Got it. Finally, click on Clean section at the bottom left corner and select Clean under Junk Files. Lastly, to confirm your choice, click on Clear in the pop-up and wait. As you can see, storage of my Motorola was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!